Hello guys and welcome back. So guys, I'm sure you saw at the beginning of the video me getting my Pre-Poo mix ready. So I used ingredients I already had on hand, and I was able to create this whatever. So if you want to see the results, how I got this results, the shine back into my hair and the moisture, and how much hair I shed at the end of this Pre-Poo session, then keep on watching. Just remember to subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And also, please engage with me on the comments. Let me know, do you Pre-Poo? What would you rather use? What ingredients would you usually tilt towards? And are you team aloe vera or team not? So let's engage in the comment section. Bye. Hope you enjoy. Let's get right into the video. See you. So this is me just getting to it because life happens sometimes. So how you guys doing? My Pre-Poo is a bit runny, so I'm just going to try to do without added water. I want to get this on my scalp because it has some really nice Ayurvedic herbs in it with some aloe vera juice. So it's definitely calling for attention. So basically, so my Pre-Poo looks different on different days depending on what I feel like, or let's say the ingredients I have. So depending on what my hair needs are. If I feel like my hair is too strengthened, which I've been feeling like a lot because I've been doing a lot of, in as much as elasticity treatment. The elasticity treatment I'm doing is nice, but I find it quite strengthening to my hair. This is actually gonna still further strengthen my hair, but I'm hoping that the quantity of aloe vera will balance out the strength in the rest of the Ayurvedic herbs. So what's your Pre-Poo routine like? Do you even Pre-Poo or do you just go into, are you team, please let me just get this wash day over, hop into the shower and just do your thing? Let me know in the comment section what team you belong to. But for me, I have to do a Pre-Poo because I love my curls to be popping and all of it. I love all that goodness. And like I said, we're on a journey back to bottling hair, so it's important for me to just really take care of my hair. Very important for me to do that. See my curls. Can you see this? Can you see this? I feel like I have the best curls whenever I'm ready to do my wash day. I'm not letting that deter us. We still have to wash our hair one way or the other. Babe, can you help me check what it looks like? We still have to wash our hair one way or the other.
It's okay.
Is it cutting off my head? just gonna do this all over my hair, and you'll see when I'm done, okay? I think at the time being too, I'll be comb my hair a bit. I'm okay with it for now. I'm not doing any serious hairstyle, right? Front now. Let's just take a few minutes to admire this color. Put some of this juice on my scalp, because you know, scalp can use so much. And some strength on those roots. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this all over my hair, all through. I'll carry it for a bit, and then we'll wash it off. So let's just take a second to admire the color, the shine, and compare with some of these ones. It's shiny. Yeah. So I was let's see. Just hoping to move us a bit closer. Forgive my shaky. Yeah, so guys, when you're doing a pre-poo, it's important that you just saturate your hair with whatever mixture you're using to do your pre-poo. And in this case, remember, if you remember from the start of the video, I used aloe vera, and then I used some Ayurvedic herb mixture, and I blended them and I sieved them. Now you can see I've been struggling with trying to get that thing out of. Already it's watery, so it's not supposed to be clogged, but I guess I didn't really sieve properly, and hence the nozzle was clogging, and it was even a tiny nozzle mouth. So I would encourage you that when you're doing this, or when you're doing like a DIY pre-poo, that you maybe blend more, but then more importantly, sieve even more. And it's always important that when you're working with natural hair, that you work in sections, okay? So just put your hair away, and so that you can actually like focus on the sides that you haven't actually applied your pre-poo to. Same goes for everything though. Shampoo, the conditioner, leave-in, whatever stage you are. It's important you work in sessions. For me, I find it really easy to work in smaller sessions because it keeps me more organized and all of that. So basically, just do how many sections that works for you. But I believe that when I work in sessions, because of the texture of my hair, this prevents the matting and tangling and stuff. And it's also easy for me to transition from this to like the style for my week. So basically, and to transition out of it too, out of the style for the week, from the style for the week into my pre-poo state again. So enjoy. Right tilt towards strength than there is towards moisture. Now you want both of them in equilibrium, you want balance, right? But I'm thinking, and that's where knowing your hair comes into play. You have to really know what your hair feels like and all of that. So this is feeling really strengthening, and I've been feeling like I've been strengthening my hair a lot more in the past couple of weeks. Maybe I need to dial it down a bit. I'll come back to it, because I love the fact that I'm not shedding a lot. My hair is not breaking off as much, so but that's shedding.
Okay, guys, so here I was actually trying to explain that, you know, our hair is made up of keratin and water, and a lot of times, you know, you need to find a balance. Really, that's just how taking care of natural hair works. You need to find a balance between the strength and moisture. You don't want too much moisture, and also you do not want too much strength. And when your hair is low in porosity like mine, you know, maybe in another video I'll talk about porosity of hair and how it affects our hair care and length retention and growth and all of those things, those good stuff. So when your hair is low in porosity, it tends to not need as much protein as, you know, if your hair is high in porosity. So, but for a while I've been strengthening my hair before this particular pre-poo. So every time I do my pre-poo is strengthening. But I like it because, I mean, I was shedding really little and stuff compared to the way I used to shed, like balls I used to shed before. But then I could tell that my hair wasn't holding styles. It was feeling really grassy and all of that. And so you need to know your hair. You need to know when it changes, the feel, the texture, the response it's usually would give you. You need to know that, and it's really important. So yeah, and if you don't know that, just, you know, find someone who does. All right, guys.
Is your hair low in porosity or high in porosity? And what treatments do you usually tilt towards? How often do you do a protein treatment? How often do you trim your hair? How often do you use a comb, or are you team no comb, team finger detangling? Then do you use Ayurvedic herbs in your regimen? Are you on an Ayurvedic regimen, or you just do straight up, you know, standard products without Ayurvedic herbs in it? So have you tried, what Ayurvedic treatments have you tried, and how did your hair take it? How did your hair take it? So I'm done with the last session. So guys, hope this is messy. Like, remember I said that Ayurvedic treatments can be really messy, so I'm gonna have to wipe down with some tissue and trying to pick up my shed hair for this pre-poo, and this is what I shed. Why is my hand like that? There's henna in this stuff. So it's just starting to rain now, so the weather might quickly change. So, but this is what I shed. I mean, let me just say that this is nothing compared to what I used to shed. I'll probably insert a clip somewhere here so you'll see we've come a long way on this journey. And my layers are growing out nicely. Very lucky. Look at this. My layers are growing out nicely. I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that. I just want to massage this in. Guys, scalp massages are important, really. They just help to boost circulation to your follicles, right? You know, look at this liquid gold. Whoa. Yeah, so probably will skip my, I was planning to do a full strength henna treatment on this next wash day, but I probably will skip it because I don't think my hair can take more strength for now. So I'm just gonna dial down on the strengthening treatments and do more moisturizing treatments, and then go back to strengthening. Maybe you twist this one because it's wanting to come out. Come out. So guys, remember I didn't comb my hair. I just fingered it tangled. I know that if I were to comb, maybe some more will come out, but obviously, like, this is nothing compared to other times when I'll finger the tangle, and a lot of them are long strands. I don't know if you can see the long strands. My hair is quite fine. It's fine. A lot of them are long strands. They are not broken. This is their strands that are as long as the length of my hair, and I don't remember if I have re-moisturized my hair during the week. I think the last time I actually did this hair was in the salon when I did my red velvet treatment. And yeah guys, just in case you're wondering what salon I'm talking about, Jaggy's Bella Fro. If you're in the city of Port Harcourt and you're looking for a short plug to take care of your natural hair, or to just take care of your hair generally, but mostly natural hair, like, I mean, what are you guys waiting for? I'm going to insert our handle here, and you could just come to Jaggy's Bella Fro, and your hair needs to be taken care of. Like, you know, your hair is going to just do amazing stuff. You know, we love to use quality and natural ingredients to take care of your hair. I mean, guys, just take a look at the shine of this hair. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, guys. Whoa. So we hope to see you soon. You know, so I'm just gonna carry this for a bit, and then I'll wash it up, then do my treatment and steam, and probably just put it back in twist, because really that's all I do. Like, I'm that basic. Really, I'm that basic. So we'll just put it back in twist, and I'll carry it for the next week, and that's it. So So guys, let's do some mini length check. I'm still gonna get to this hair. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to do this. Guys, our hair is green. See. Let's raise this up. Okay, so that's all for now. Please make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Like, share, and see you on my next video. Please engage in the comment section if there's something you want to ask me, and then if you want to contact me, just you can buzz me at Cuties on Instagram, or at Jaggy's Bella Fro for our business, any business inquiry, any official inquiry. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.